Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to add smooth transitions to your presentations and videos in just 8 simple steps. First, find the page thumbnail at the bottom of your editor where you'd like to add a transition. When you hover over it, you'll see a 3-dot menu icon appear. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that appears, select the Add Transition option to open up your transition choices. You'll see several transition styles available. Just hover your cursor over any of them to see a quick preview of how it will look. Found one you like? Simply click on it to apply that transition effect to your page. Here's where you can fine-tune the timing. Use either the slider or type directly into the number box to set exactly how long you want the transition to last. You can also choose which direction the transition moves. Keep in mind that the available directions will vary depending on which transition style you've chosen. Want this same transition throughout your entire presentation? Click Apply Between All Pages to keep everything consistent. When you're happy with how your transitions look, click the Share button to save your work and access your sharing options. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add professional transitions to make your presentations flow smoothly from one page to the next.